Alright, welcome back nerds. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get started with Eagle, and that includes the installation and everything. First, you can just type Autodesk Eagle into Google or into the search bar, and clearly I've already visited when I showed you guys earlier. So you can go to the main page or you can go straight to the download page. I want to show you guys from the main page. There's free download. You can click on that, take you to a new page, and it'll say download for Windows, Mac, Linux, so pick your appropriate choice. If you're not a student, you can just go ahead and click your download. If you are a student, go here to the bottom, and here it'll tell you to sign in or create an account. So go ahead and fill out your appropriate role, birth date, I guess. Oh, I don't want to show you guys this. First name, last name, your student email, that's important, and then create your account. Since I already have one, I'm just going to sign in. There we go. And then your password. You can say sign in if you choose to. And then it should give you the opportunity to download it. So you want to click this download and go ahead and save it. So that takes a second, then you click once and it'll take you through this. I already downloaded it, so I'm not going to do it. So you guys follow through that. There's nothing special you have to do. Alright, so once you have it downloaded, I'm going to exit this. Alright, so go ahead and launch Eagle. So if you're on the Mac, you can do Command Space and then type Eagle. If you're on Windows or Linux, then it's on your desktop, or you can use the terminal to launch it. And when it launches, it should have you sign in. If you've already used Eagle before, then you might not have to sign in. So go ahead and sign in with the account you just used. Again, use your student email and you'll make sure you have the correct license, otherwise with your appropriate login information. And when you launch Eagle, you should be welcome to the control panel as we see here. It'll tell you the kind of license you have here. So it says education. In this corner, you can go offline, sign out, or sometimes go online. If it says offline here, then you're going to want to go online. Sometimes it doesn't work for me, so I have to sign out and re-sign in. So as a heads up, when you're not using your education license, or if you're using the free license, you might lose some features as you work on Eagle. So you might have some recent files. You probably shouldn't if this is your first time using Eagle. These are just some of the projects that I've been working on recently. Again, I showed you guys the heart earlier. So what I want to point your guys' attention to next is here on the left. So when you're at the control panel, you have several options. Usually they're in a different order. So you have your libraries, and we'll show you guys how to get set up with libraries very soon. There's also managed libraries. So Eagle by default comes with all these libraries you see here. They're great libraries. I personally don't like to use them, but you guys are welcome to use them as you need. But I'll show you our libraries by Project in a Box, made by myself and my buddy Brian Enriquez, and we'll show you guys how to get started with those. There's also managed ones. I have a few, and you may want to make some of your own. And in a later video, I'll show you guys the benefits to these, or how to use them, or why we have them. There are design blocks. I have not used them before, but I can see their use. Pretty much if you design like a power supply or something, here we go, like a voltage regulator, you can just drag and drop this entire circuit, so you don't have to recreate it. So it does have some benefits for sure. I personally don't use them that much. I may start using them in the future, so you can feel free to check them out if you wish. There's design rules. This is extremely important, and I'll show you guys very soon on how to use these and why we use these when we do the board to check our work, and with different board houses like Arcatek or for PCB, just to name a few. There's user language programs, so pretty much these are scripts that this one SparkFun made, and there's other ones that come by default with Eagle that pretty much runs a script that does some really powerful feature or a really powerful process for you that you don't have to do. So like importing a DXF for your board, as well as several other powerful things. We won't make one here, but we may use a couple. Scripts, so again, you can write your own scripts to do something automated for you, very similar to the user language programs, or the ULPs. They're a CAM job, so when you go to actually send your board to a board house, you will use a CAM process to generate what are called Gerber files that the manufacturer uses to create your board. Usually it exports it to several different files, one for just drilling through your board to make the holes, one for where they're going to lay the copper, etc., for solder mask, and for silkscreen. Again, we're going to be using Arcatek. It's very easy, almost too easy. It kind of dumbs it down, where pretty much you upload your board file, and we'll show you that soon, and it will actually generate those for you and then show you what your board looks like. There are spice models. I haven't used these before, but pretty much you can run simulations if you use certain parts. Most of those you have to use the default Eagle parts, or ones that you created yourself that have the spice model data tied to it. I've never used them before. I don't plan on using them, but maybe you'd be interested or so. And then probably the most important part, besides libraries and design rules, that we'll be using often are projects. So you can have your projects here. Unfortunately, it's going to look funny. I don't actually put any of my projects in here. I use Git to manage all my projects, and some of my projects have more than just Eagle. It'll have some mechanical information as well. So I don't actually use their projects, but you can use them, and I recommend using them. And there's also several examples you can feel free to check out. They have a built-in Arduino Mega that you can check out, and just to give you some ideas. So here's the schematic, and here is the board. They have a BeagleBone Blue, as well as several other things that you guys can check out just to see what the capabilities of Eagle are. Great. So in the next video, I'm going to show you guys some of the options, and then we'll get started using Eagle.